Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to add a details widget on your WordPress website, a skill that will make your site more interactive and organized. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a quick refresher, this guide will get you set up in minutes. Let's dive in. Log in to WordPress first. Navigate to wordpress.com and log into your account. For a faster login, you can use the Continue with Google option. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. The hub for managing your website. Open the editing interface. Next, locate the Edit Site button. You'll usually find it in the Quick Links panel on the right-hand side. Click it, and it will take you to the main site editor where you can make changes to your pages and blocks. Add the Details widget. In the editing interface, look for the plus sign in the top left corner to add a new block. In the search bar, type Details. You should see the Details block appear in the options. Click it to add it to your page. Customize the Details widget. Once the widget is on your page, you can enter your summary or title in the collapsed view. Then, add the content you want users to see when they expand it. This is perfect for FAQs, additional product info, or any section where you want to keep the page clean but informative. Optional, link an image inside the widget. If you want, you can make your details widget even more interactive by adding an image with a link. Click the plus sign inside the details block, choose image, upload your picture, and then click the link icon in the toolbar. Insert your URL carefully to avoid broken links, then click Save or Update. Save and preview after customizing your widget. Always save or update your page, then preview it to make sure everything works smoothly. Click the widget to expand and collapse, check your links, and ensure your content displays as intended. And that's it. You now know how to add a details widget on your WordPress website quickly and efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.